Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to Easyship allows you to automate your shipping workflow by importing Etsy orders directly into Easyship. Once it's connected, you can compare courier rates, create shipping labels, and send the tracking numbers back to Etsy automatically. So this integration helps Etsy sellers save time, reduce shipping costs, and manage deliveries from one dashboard. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to Easyship in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing first, I want you to create an Easyship account. Okay, so before connecting Etsy, you need an Easyship account. So go to easyship.com, click start free, create an account using email address or Google account or business details. Okay, log into the Easyship dashboard after that. Okay, after you sign in, and open the Easyship dashboard, click connect or integrations, and select connect to new store. You will see a list of e-commerce platforms. Okay, choose Etsy. So to link your Etsy shop, click connect Etsy. You will be redirected to the Etsy login page. Sign into your Etsy seller account and click allow access. This allows Easyship to import your Etsy orders. Okay, so this Etsy must approve the integration. Okay, now confirm the store connection. So after authorization, your Etsy shop will appear in Easyship stores. You should see store name, connection status, order syncing enabled. Okay, this confirms the integration is active. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.